Hey, my name is Kristen, and this is the Rugged Seal tablet from Back USA. Today, we're at Buffalo's Garden Walk, America's largest garden tour. And I'm going to show you how the Seal's mobility and built-in tools work with programs like Microsoft OneNote to help you collect and organize data in the field, which is perfect for me because I'm here today looking for ideas for my very own urban garden. I already know the address of the garden that we're going to, so to get started, all I have to do is pull it up in my Maps app and find the best route there. And we're off. Isn't this beautiful? And now with my Seal, I can take photos and videos of anything I want. Not only can I capture photos and record videos, but I can pull it into Microsoft OneNote to keep all of my garden walk ideas organized and in one spot. I love black-eyed Susans, and I'm gonna make a notation so that I remember to put them in my own garden as soon as I get home. Thanks for joining me on the Buffalo Garden Walk. If your job depends on mobile technology and you want access to the world's best organization and collaboration tools, you know where to find the Seal. Visit us online at backusa.com/seal. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.